Good morning on this beautiful Thursday morning. I hope you all are doing well and ready to learn. Okay, today we're going to be learning about turtles, and the first thing we're going to learn is the three tricky turtles. Three pokey turtles, see how they move, see how they move. They all decide to race a deer. Their friends and families begin to cheer. The deer was beat by a trick, I hear. Three tricky turtles, three tricky turtles. Would you like to hear it again? Three pokey turtles, see how they move, see how they move. They all decide to race a deer. Their friends and family begin to cheer. The deer was beat by a trick, I hear. Three tricky turtles, three tricky turtles. Today we're going to learn two stories today about turtles. And in both stories, the turtles are tricky. We're going to continue this week to learn about different types of stories. Today we're going to focus on fables. Fables are stories that teach us a lesson. They have morals. A moral is the lesson of the story. So let's disengage our stress response with the bunny breathing, because in one of our stories there's a bunny. So put your bunny ears up. Ready? Okay. Now, we're going to do our sentence today. And our sentence today is actually a question. And our question for today is, will the tortoise win the race? Will, and because it's the first letter, it's a capital. Will the tortoise, T-O-R, T-O-I, S-E, will the tortoise win the race? And because it's a question, it gets a question mark at the end instead of a period. Will the tortoise win the race? Let's count the words, shall we? Hold on, let me get another color marker. I got green. One, will, two, the, three, tortoise, four, win, the, five, race, six. And we can count that another way if we want to. We can clap it out. Would you like to clap it out? Will the tortoise win the race? Okay. Now, I would also like for you, if you can, to see if you can find any words that rhyme with win. Can you find any words that rhyme with win? Win. I'll write it bigger down here. Let's make that not a capital word. Can you think of any rhyming words that would rhyme with the word win? Win. How about pin? P-I-N. If you take away the first, p-in and w-in sound the same, don't they? Can you think of any other words, even silly nonsense words that would rhyme? We'd like to hear it. And can you also look at today's sentence and use the letters of the week S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See if you can find any of those letters in our sentence today. Can you do that? All right, me and Miss Rosa would love to see it. We'll see you in a little bit.